Welcome to Minexa.ai, the easiest way to scrape grocery product listings fast and clean from any website, no coding needed. I'm opening Rappi.com.mx to the exact page with loaded grocery product listings for you to scrape. Now, click the Minexa.ai extension icon to start scraping data right from this page. Click the violet button that says, I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can analyze and detect the grocery product listings automatically. Minexa.ai locks the navigation pattern, ensuring every run covers the full dataset without missing any products. Decide if the list alone fits your needs, or if you want to scrape each item's detail page for more data. Use Continue for pages that load results directly, or Advanced if you need clicks or forms before data appears. Minexa.ai has highlighted your data automatically. Click Create Scraper to study this page once and reuse the setup anytime. All fields like product name, price, image, description, and availability are detected. Pick what you want, and Minexa.ai will reuse them instantly. Developers can click API Request to get ready Python code with proxy and JavaScript rendering configured for immediate use. Validate your scraper settings and click Complete Configuration to save everything and prepare for extraction. Minexa.ai detects pagination automatically. Just continue if pages exist, or move on if you have a single page. One click away from running your scraping job. Optionally set a schedule or connect to Google Sheets before starting. Hit Run, and Minexa.ai quickly extracts all grocery listings, including hidden data like images and details not visible immediately. Product names, prices, sizes, and stock info come through clean and structured for easy use. The extracted data includes product titles, prices, images, descriptions, and availability. Even hidden fields and image URLs not visible on the page are captured, preserving the relationship between data points perfectly for your analysis or reporting. Hit Export to save your dataset as an Excel file and open it immediately for analysis or sharing. Clean data from any website in minutes. No code or setup needed. Developers get fast, accurate extraction without growing token costs. Minexa.ai scales effortlessly for all your data needs.